Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you about how to change your name in Gmail. Okay, we have our name in Gmail, right? So if you want to change the name, you can follow this video. So this will be easily do in a mobile phone. So I am going to show you in mobile phone only. So first open your settings, then go to Google. This Google option is placed at different places in different mobiles. So for me, this is placed in this place. After clicking this, click on manage your Google account. Then go to personal info. Here you can see your basic details. Just click on here and change your name. What do you want? Okay. So I'm going to change my name. Your change might take a while to show everywhere. సో చేంజ్ అవ్వడానికి కొంచెం టైం తీసుకుంటుందంట. సో కావాలంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ మీ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ అవి కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు. మీ పాస్వర్డ్ ఏ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ లింక్డ్ ఉన్నాయో అలా. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.